Welcome back to Automaic, the place where automotive legends come alive. If you're passionate about cars, classic, modern, and everything in between, hit that subscribe button and join our community of car enthusiasts. Let's jump into today's feature. Few names in automotive history evoke as much nostalgia and excitement as the Chevrolet Impala. And among its many iconic iterations, the Impala 396 holds a special place. This car is a true symbol of 1960s American muscle, combining bold styling, a luxurious ride, and raw power under the hood. Let's talk about the heart of this beast, the 396 cubic inch V8 engine. Known as the Turbojet 396, this engine was introduced in 1965 and quickly gained legendary status. With outputs ranging from 325 to 425 horsepower, depending on the configuration, the Impala 396 offered a driving experience that was thrilling and versatile. It wasn't just a straight-line monster. The car's responsive handling and smooth ride made it just as comfortable cruising the highways as tearing up the quarter mile. Paired with either a 4-speed manual transmission or a Powerglide automatic, the Impala 396 delivered plenty of torque, up to 415 pound-feet in some versions. The sound of that big block V8 was pure music to the ears of gearheads, with a deep, throaty rumble that turned heads everywhere it went. This car wasn't just fast, it had personality, and it announced its arrival with authority. Now, let's move to the design. The 1965 to 1967 Impala models featuring the 396 were the epitome of mid-60s American styling. The long, low, and wide body had a commanding presence, accented by bold chrome detailing and clean, flowing lines. The Coke bottle shape of the body was ahead of its time and gave the car an athletic stance. And let's not forget the signature triple taillights that made the Impala instantly recognizable from the rear. Interior. Inside, the Impala 396 didn't skimp on comfort. It offered a spacious cabin with premium materials, making it as luxurious as it was powerful. Options like bucket seats, a center console with a floor shifter, and a range of premium trim levels, including the iconic SS Super Sport package, elevated the driving experience. The SS trim, in particular, added sporty touches like special badging, upgraded suspension, and unique interior finishes. Despite its muscle car reputation, the Impala 396 also had a practical side. It was available in multiple body styles, including a coupe, convertible, and even a sedan, making it a performance car that could fit into everyday life. Whether you were taking it to the drag strip or loading it up for a weekend road trip, the Impala 396 delivered on all fronts. Today, the Chevrolet Impala 396 is a cherished classic, sought after by collectors and enthusiasts around the globe. Its blend of style, performance, and historical significance has cemented its place as one of the greatest American cars of all time. Whether restored to perfection or modified for modern performance, the Impala 396 continues to be a rolling tribute to the golden age of muscle cars. Thanks for tuning in to Automaic. If you enjoyed this look back at the Chevrolet Impala 396, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share your favorite Impala memories in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into automotive legends. Until next time, keep those engines roaring and your passion for cars alive.